Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to my channels. Today start Salesforce admin project and project name is a requirement applications. Very important video. Let's go start the video. Requirement applications project and first is the requirement in a created custom object in my requirement app. Position, job application, candidate, review, job posting, employment website. Next, use case covered on the position object. If close date is a MP3 and status the feeds close, cancel close not approval we need to the show and errors message is a close date is not specified. Solutions we cannot achieve by the using validation rules. Next, minimum salary should be greater than 0 and maximum salary should be greater than minimum salary. Solutions we can achieve by the using the validation rules. Next, number of day position is open. Solution it should be auto populating value we can achieve by the using the formula fits created date short date. Next, update severity fits to the read a member. Green we can achieve by using the formula feeds. If they open the 20 red, if they open the 10 amber, if they open the 10 green. Next, create a records type on position object. We can create a records type from records type and then create page layout for all the records type, technical records type and non-technical records type. Two records type positions. Next, for technical records type working day should be Monday to Friday and for non-technical records type working day should be from Monday to Saturday. Solutions from records type edit the working day pick list feed as a required. Next, create impact, sorry, create impact layout and believe feeds on compact layout. So, position name, job level, records type, and hire by and status. And record types is 5. Solutions navigate to the compact layout under position object and require fields to the layout. Next, create hiring manager fields on position object. Solution create lookup with users. Next, use case covered on the candidate object. Create all the required fields for the candidate object. Next, use case covered on job application object. Job application object lookup with the position and candidate. So we need to the create lookup relationship on chat object job application object. Second, on job application, we need to the display candidate name list, name like FNLN solution. We can achieve by using the formula fields and need to the use contact operators. So actually, job application object, two examples. Next, use case covered on the review the object. Master details relationship in the between the job application and review the object. Master is job application and the details will be the review the object. Next, on review the object need to the display position names. Solution to display position names and need to the creative formula fields. We now that is the review. Object parents is a job application and its parents is a position. So formula fields we can use to the achieve this. Review job application position and position is name. Next, One review the object need to the display candidate the name. Solution to display the candidate name need to the create the formula fields. We now that is review object parents is job application and it is a parents is candidate. So formula fields we can use to the achieve this review job application candidate and candidate name. This is the example. So next need to the display hyperlinks text feeds like the candidate link. Solutions to achieve we can use formula feeds. Example hyperlinks job application candidate ID job application candidate first names. Solution sorry next need to the display hyperlinks text feeds like the position. Solution to achieve we cannot use formula feeds hyperlinks job applications positions ID job application position is name. Next need to display rating the number feeds and should allow only members from 1 to 5. Solutions to the achieve the need to the create the validation rules rating first rating 5 or rating the first rating the 5. Next need to display below the fields on the job application object. Total rating, number of the review, highest rating and lowest rating. Best review rating and if rating the 4. Solutions to achieve the above sensor need to the create roll-up summary on job application object as a job application object is parents and parents masters object. We can create a roll-up summary on the parents object. Next, on job application, review the related list add below the fields. List related list in job application is a 5. First, review the name, rating, second, third, position, fourth, created by, and 5 candidate. And in solutions, navigate to the job application page layout on related list, add all the required fields. Next, use case covered on employee website object. Create all the required fields on employment website. Next, use case covered on the job posting object. We can create a multiple post one employment website. So employment website is a master and job postings object is a chats. We need to the create MDR relationship. Next, we need to the create a MDR in between the position and the job posting object. Position is a master and details is job postings. Next, so here job posting object act like the junction object as we have two MDR relationship. Next, need to create a duplicate rules on the candidate object. So it will be so it will prevent creating of duplicate records. Solutions first, we need to the create matching rules for follow by duplicate rules from home, duplicate matching the rules. Next, inverse feeds tracking for the positions and the candidate object. Solutions. It is a basically display the changes in the charter fields. It will be rating the up to 45 days. Its display on charters fields details the sections. Example, home, feeds, tracking, select object, and enables feeds and tracking. Next, enables feeds history tracking for position and the candidate object. Solutions, it is a basically track to the change in feeds history in the history related on or off on object. It will be retained up to the 18 month. Its display on history feeds relate list sections, object fields, and rating the set history, tracking and reverse field history. Example. Then in the page layout, the add object history on the related list. Next, create list view for position object as a below. For position is a list and open position first, second close the position, third technical position, fourth non-technical position, and solution on object records details page. Here the icon list view the control new. Next, create a global action on any object in top will be click on the plus icon, all the global action second appears. Solutions, home, global actions, new actions, select target object. Then is a publisher, the layout, the mobiles, lighting the sections, add to the action as well as a page layout the section also. Next, create the object, specific the action on the object, job application, the object, create a review, actions, solution, object, button, links, action, view the actions, target object, action name, add into the page, layout, mobile, and lightning sections. Create candidate tabular reports. Next, create summary reports and post position based on position the status. Next, data security implementations. Next, create a profile as a required solutions. Clone the standard user of the rename to the required. Next, provide the object permission to the view the object position, create a read edit, candidate create the read edit, job application, create read and edit, review, create read and edit, job posting, create read, edit, delete, view and modify all. Employment website, create, read, edit, delete, view and modify all. Solution profile and object settings. Next, create one of the more profile as a standard employee and provide the value the access to the object position read access to the object and all the fields expect maximum pay and minimum pay. So candidate no access, job application no access, review the no access, job posting no access, and employment website no access. Solution an example. So profile object setting remove the edit and read access for the maximum pay and minimum pay fields. Next, grade permission set as a hiring manager and provide the below the access to the object. Position, create, read, edit, object and permission. Next, candidate, read, object, permission, read all the fields, expect SSN, no fields. Job application, read, edit, object permission, and read, edit, and all fields expect lookup fields only read access. Review candidate read, edit, and object permissions. Job posting create a read, edit, and object permissions. Employment website read object permissions. Next, create a permission set of the interviewer and provide the believe the access to the object position read object permission read it edit all the fields and expect maximum pay and minimum pay candidate the read object permission read all the fields and expect the SSN and no fields. Job application read object permission review the create the read edit object permission. Job posting no access, employment website no access. Note permission set will be the assigned to the standard employee. They are the playing to the role of the HR manager and interviewer. Next, use case for the data security, assign the requirement profile to the test users, assign the standard employer profile to the test users, assign the standard employee profile and the hiring the manager permission set to the test users. Next, assign the standard employee profile and the interviewer permission set to the test users. Next, apply organization wide the default OWD to the below the object candidate job application private employee website the position in the public read only solution search find the searching setting select object set the OWD. Next, apply sharing rules as below object candidate rule label edit candidate on by all the internal users. Public group should be the share with requirement managers and access level read and write. Thank you so much, friends. Very helpful. I hope your the video is helpful and your the project and job profiles. And project name is the requirement application. This is a very important video. Please my channels like and share and comment. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.